Bonjour. What is the difference between pouvoir and devoir? So pouvoir means can, may, should, or to be able to. So it does not show any obligation. It's like a suggestion. You can do this, you may do this. Whereas devoir, to have to or must, which shows a level of obligation. You have to go. She has to learn French. You must leave. Let's conjugate the two verbs. Pouvoir, je peux, tu peux, elle, on peut, nous pouvons, vous pouvez, elles peuvent. Devoir, je dois, tu dois, elle, on doit, nous devons, vous devez, elles doivent. Both of these are called power verbs. They give you the power to start speaking French right away if you just put an infinitive of any verb just after. Par exemple, je peux comprendre le français. Tu dois apprendre le français. Voilà, c'est tout. I hope that helps. Follow for more.